Hello everyone, this is Eddie. Hopefully you have completed lesson 1 and 2. So lesson 1 you learned how to pronounce the numbers 1 to 10, and I also gave you a word that has the same pronunciation as each of the numbers in lesson 1. Lesson 2 you learned how to write the numbers 1 to 10. So now lesson 3, what I want to do is I want to focus on the first word that I told you sounds the same as the number 1. Okay, and that was clothes. So clothes sounds the same as the number 1. So it is also pronounced E, right? But if you type it in Chinese, so let's switch to the Chinese input method. If you type YI, you need to choose a different character for clothes. Now, if the character that I'm choosing is not in the list here, you also need to browse to the right to find it. So I found it by going to the second page, and it's this character, the first character of the second page. So try and see if you can find that. Okay, now I'm going to talk you through the stroke order for writing this character, clothes. So if you write it out like this, the top dash at the top, and then you write a horizontal line, and then you write a curve, and then down, up, and then a little dash here, and a long curve here. Right, so that's how you write it. And if you write it quicker, right, that's how you write the character for clothes, E. Okay, now the cool thing about Chinese is that you could combine a character with another character to make some really cool meanings without learning new words. So the next word I want to teach you in Chinese is called da, okay, which means the same thing as large. So let's type it out. So large is pronounced da, da, with the fourth tone. So if you guys remember the tones from the first lesson, which I will copy it over now. So the tones from the first lesson, the number 4 tone is the falling tone. So you start from a higher pitch, go down to a lower pitch, da, da. And so that means large, and the Chinese character for that, so let's switch to typing in Chinese. Da is da, and you can see the first one is the one we need to pick. So the stroke order for that is the horizontal line first, and then if you do the left hand side curve first, and then the right hand side curve, da. Okay, so make sure you practice writing it out. Okay, so that means large. Now, what happens if you combine these two words together? So if you combine them and you say da yi, remember E also has the first tone, so the high level tone. So da yi simply means jacket. Okay, so combining the character for large and the character for clothes, da yi, you've got jacket. So obviously I'm going to use the character for da, which is that, and the character for clothes, which is that, da yi. Okay, so make sure that you keep practice writing this out over and over again to memorize it. So now you know the words clothes, large, and you also know jacket. Okay, now let's give you guys another simple word. Right, the word for up. Up. is S-H-A-N-G. Right, shang with the fourth tone. Shang. And the spelling is S-H-A-N-G, and it's tone number 4, so the falling tone. Shang means the same thing as up, and if you write it out, basically you write the vertical line first, horizontal line, the short one in the middle, and then the one down the bottom. So like this. Right, this word here means up, shang. And guess what happens when you combine up and clothes? Okay, so if you combine up and clothes, you will get, so you have shang yi, right, shang yi, which is the same thing as a shirt. Right, shang yi. So I'm gonna combine the character for up and clothes. Shang yi written together means a shirt. Okay, so you have learned big and you've learned up, and combine them with clothes, you know, jacket and shirt. I should give you one more. Nei, N-E-I, nei, with the fourth tone, falling tone, nei, and it means inside. Alright, and the writing for that, okay, N-E-I, the first one is nei. Okay, so the stroke order for that is vertical line down first, horizontal down up, and then two curly lines inside. Well, it's actually sticking over on the top, so it's easier to write it quicker, right, like that. Alright, so that is the word for inside, and you will learn later on that this character alone in the middle, sticking over the top, that actually means human. But anyway, we will talk about that next time. So this is the word for inside, which is nei. Now guess what happens when you combine it with clothes? Okay, so you got nei, nei yi, nei yi. Okay, so that means the same thing as underwear. Underwear. So I'm not gonna adjust the width of the column here. You should know what I mean. Underwear is nei yi, and actually you might as well. And then I'm just gonna copy over the characters for inside and clothes. Nei yi means the same thing as underwear. Actually, might as well give you guys a few more. So rain is the same thing as yu. Yu. So it's let's type it out first. Yu, and the fourth one is rain, yu, and the tone for that is yu with the third tone. Alright, falling rising tone, yu, down and up again, yu, and actually just yu is probably the best way to say it, yu. And then if you combine that with the word for clothes, so let's copy down this character here. Okay, so yu, yi, yu, yi. Okay, and it means the same thing as raincoat. Okay, so Chinese is actually, to me, sometimes easier than English. Because if you imagine a Chinese person trying to learn English, it's going to be a bit hard to memorize the word underwear and the word raincoat and the word jacket and the word shirt, because they're all different to the word clothes. Okay, but because you know the Chinese character for clothes, which is yi, you can combine it with these other characters for large, so that's da, and up, which is shang, and inside, which is nei, and rain, which is yu. So you can combine it with these other characters that'll give you new words. Alright, so let's repeat from the top, which one of my friends have suggested that I do. So we have yi, which is one, yi, clothes, da, large, da yi, jacket, shang, up, shang yi, shirt, nei, inside, nei yi, underwear, yu, rain, yu yi, raincoat. Okay, hope you guys have learned something today. See you guys next time.